today I'm going to show you how to get the free signals from the Pine script which I've created, and this I'll show you quickly. What happened over here is a chart which I've opened, and this is for the Colgate, and it will give me a SMA crossover first thing, and second it will give me 10% down from there. SMA crossover, that's another quick buy signal, and then further extend to 10% stock drop on that. So that's the fine script I've created, and quickly show you how it works. So if I'll talk about the recent one, so whenever the 200 moving average is on the top, you can see is the 200 moving average black one, and then 50 and then 20 is a crossover happened here, and then we have got a signal over here, over here, and then if in case there is a further 10% down after we hit this signal, we get the signal, we'll get it in this kind of format, but this only trips out when there is a signal 10% down from the last MSA, I'm sorry, SMA crossover. Okay, so although after this one, the first crossover, you get the 250 and 20, there is a signal to buy it because it's on the lower side of the section. And then there is no signal over here, and it will further review how many signals they are extracting it by its own. Whenever if you miss an opportunity of very first scope, you can get it opportunity over here, here, and then multiples. But that 10% down will only hit when from the last term. For example, this one is the last one, and the 10% down is this one. Then if I'll see if it's truly 10% down from the close, see, yes, so that's a free signal, we got it. And if I'll talk about in past, if we see quickly if we received or not, so in blue chip stocks it's very hard, but yes, it will definitely come to see the frequency is very less, first thing. So SMA crossover you will see, but the other for 10% down on the blue chip stocks is very hard to get. For example, somewhere in 2016 we have that 10% dip as well after the crossover. So this is a signal which we got after crossover, right? Black is 200, then 50, and then 70, and then we got a signal out here, and 10% down further from the closure is this one, right? Let's see if we that 10% dip indicator is expecting as per our rules or not. Yes, it is. So we have a buy signal over here, so if we buy it, that's the first thing, buy condition is met. We'll see how many days it will take to complete 10% down, which is a true profit. We are not submitting anything beyond us. So closure, time of closure, market closure, we are going to purchase it. So from here, let's see 10% down to further extend. No, not here. Somewhere over here. Okay, so not here as well, but yes, in this one. See, 10% in 102 bars. Pure profit without like it's in 3 months, 90 days. You can see, and then another 2 months, approximate 150 days. And if we calculate about the calendar days, yes, it's taking time, but trading days is very less, right? So this is how we are going to sell that as well on 10%. And yes, this SMA will be active till it will reach its momentum, like when we buy this, right? when it going to be completed. Let's see over here. So somewhere over here, like 250 and then 20. Let's see, okay, somewhere over here. Sorry, this one. The very first, when we got them, we are going to sell it on the very next day in the morning. So we got in a year 11% plus 10, approximately 21% in a year. So if we are liking this one, let me know. I can share you the script and you can use it. It applicable to all equity stocks, so you can use it anywhere. It's just an example, so you can just cross check at your end, back test, um, and yeah, let me know if you have questions around it. Thank you.